how to show hidden apps on iPhone. First, let's return back to the home screen. And on the home screen, you want to swipe across to go to App, Library, In-App, Library, swipe up and go all the way down to the bottom. There is a folder called Hidden. Now when you tap on it, it will require you to have Face ID. So you can see here, if I don't verify it with Face ID, then I will not be able to view the hidden apps. So tap on it and then verify it with Face ID, and then you'll be able to access hidden apps. To move it out of the hidden folder, you can touch and hold on the app and then tap on don't require Face ID, and then this one here as well. So you need to verify your Face ID before you can remove or move it out of the hidden folder. And that's it. So that is how you can show hidden apps on iPhone. So it will be on the home screen. If it's not on the home screen, you will need to drag it out to your home screen again. So for example, the Facebook app. So we need to go down here and find the Facebook app. Here it is in social, so tap on that and then you need to drag it out into your home screen again. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.